Are you curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Toyota Prius 2000 to 2003? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the Toyota Prius 2000 to 2003 controls key interior electrical functions like the audio system, power windows, interior lights, and various cabin electronics. It uses clearly labeled fuses for easy identification and maintenance. The fusible link block contains high-capacity links that protect major interior power circuits from overloads. It ensures safe and stable power delivery to essential cabin systems. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the Toyota Prius 2000 to 2003 manages key underhood electrical circuits, including engine control, cooling, lighting, and power delivery systems. Its clearly labeled fuses and relays help protect vital components from overloads and make troubleshooting easier. The additional box contains extra fuses and relays that support secondary underhood systems, such as auxiliary power circuits and control modules. The relay box houses key relays that control major systems like the cooling fans, fuel delivery, and power management components. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.